Seed starting video number 2 from the Windmill Garden 2025. We're going to do cabbages, tomatoes, and peppers today. It's March 12th, and that's a good time to start cabbages, tomatoes, and peppers. I'm in zone 6. We're going to start our seeds today in these heavy-duty trays I found at Walmart. These are Burpee's brand, and I like them. Here's what the packaging looks like if you want to find this product at your local Walmart. They're heavy-duty. They come in different sizes. It has some instructions on the back. And inside, it has this fancy labeling grid for your seedlings. Today, we're going to plant our second batch of seedlings, the cabbage, tomatoes, and peppers. And we're going to get our onion seedlings that we planted a month ago ready for hardening off. If you want to watch that video, it's right here. In this tub is my homemade seed starting mix. I make it out of chicken run compost and potting soil. Keep that towel on it to keep it moist. This potting soil is moist but not soggy. I cannot squeeze water out of it, but it is wet. Let's fill this last tray. A little pack. Then we'll scrape it smooth. That's it. There's the month-old onion seedlings under the light. Here's the trays I'm going to plant today. There's the marking sticks and a Sharpie. And my seeds. We'll do cabbages first today. We'll plant these 2 trays in cabbage. We're going to do pak choy, golden acre, red acre, round Dutch, Copenhagen, and late flat Dutch. I'll put the stakes in first. Four pak choy, 4 golden acre, 8 red acre, 4 round Dutch, 8 Copenhagen, and 4 late flat Dutch. Trays are labeled. Let's plant the seeds. I'll use my Sharpie to make some divots, about 1/4 inch deep. Now the seeds. I'll put 2 seeds in each divot. Cover it with soil and mist. Alright, cabbage is done. I'm going to take these trays, set them on my light, and then cover them with this humidity dome. They'll sit like that on the warm light until they germinate in the dark. It's the same process for the peppers and tomatoes. I think we'll speed it up. I got them on top of the grow light. I'm going to turn that on. They're still in the dark, but that little bit of heat from that light will keep them warm for germination. I will put them under here on a heat mat, but I got to get my onions out of the way first. And that might be a couple days. We got one more thing to do. It's haircut time. Not me, the onions. These onions are starting to get pretty tall, lanky, and they're flopping over. We're going to trim them off about like that. Keep them stocky and ready for hardening off. Looking sharp. And that's it. That'll wrap up seed starting video number 2 at the windmill garden. We're going to wait for our cabbage, peppers, and tomatoes to germinate. Cabbage will be first, then tomatoes. Peppers usually take about 14 days. And we've got our onion seedlings ready to come off the light, get out to the windmill garden, and be hardened off. We'll get them into some real sunshine slowly, some wind and weather. They'll be ready for planting outdoors. Thanks for your help today at the windmill garden. We'll see you next time.